how to use Webtoon, best manga, comics, and Manhwa app. Now, in order to use it, the first process is to download it. Now, after downloading it, here open the app by clicking on it. Now, click on allow to allow it to notify you by. Now, the first step is to sign in. Now, to sign in here, use any email of your choice. Here, I will use my Google email. Click on it and wait for it to load. As you can see, it is loading. Now, as you can see, because I'm using my Google email, here I will select the Google email which I want to use by clicking on it. As you can see, it has opened. Here, now the second one is how each feature work. Here you can see for you. Here in for you is where you can see the latest manga or the latest comics or the latest manhwa. You see it here. And also here in originals. Here in originals, here is where you can see the latest manhwa, manga or comics that is trending. You see it, and also you can see how many people that like it or how many people that love it. You see it, and also here you can see the days, daily updates. You see here you can see Monday, here you can see Tuesday. See it, you see it, and also here in gens is where you can see it groups. You see it, you can see drama, fantasy, comedy, action. You see it, and many more. By clicking here, this icon here, you will see all the shortcuts. You see it, you see fantasy, romance. You see it here, historical. You see it, and also here in canvas. Now click on check it out. Now here, click on it. Here in canvas is where you can see spotlights. You see it, weekly hot. You see weekly hot. You see it. This canvas is based on drawings, stories like manhwa or manga. You see it. Also here in my, here in recent, here is where you can see the recent comics you read, and also here in subscribe is where you can see the comics you or manhwa or manga you subscribe here, and also here in download is where you can see the comics you download or the manhwa you download or the manga you download here. Also here in unlock is where you can see the ones you unlock, that is here, and also here in corporate, this copyright icon here is where you can see your coin. If you pay for the coin, like if you want to buy coin, this coin is used to buy a manga, comics, or a manhwa. Here by clicking here, you go to the coin shop and purchase the coin based on the price you want. You see, based on the price you can afford here. You see it, and also you can go back by clicking this arrow icon here to go back and click it again. Also here in send, subscribe and like is where you can see the surprise you share with another person. Here in comments is where you can see the comments you commented. Also here you can see creator is where you can explore and follow any creator by clicking on this explore more on trend. Here you see it, you see here you can follow anyone, any person you like by clicking on this follow icon and follow them. As soon as they drop their content, you can read it. Here, you can click on the follow icon and follow them. And also, you can see the ones you are following by clicking on this following. Here, you see the people you are following. See it. And also, you can go back by clicking on this cancel icon. Here, and also here in more is where you can see the search icon here. You see it, where you can search any comics, any manhwa, on any manga you like here and read it. You see, also here is where you can see trending now and favorite gens. Now go back by clicking your back navigation. Also here in setting is where you can set it up. You see, here is where you can set it up, and also to go back, just click on this back facing arrow here. Now also in this fan translation is where you can set it to any language you want, like this, by clicking on it and then click on all type language here and then select the language you want. To see it, You select any language you want just by clicking on it like this. Then you select it. You see it. You can go back also by clicking on this back facing arrow here. Here in treasure hunt is where you can join activities and earn free coin. Also here in recommended is where you can find the one they suggest for you to join and earn free coin. And also by clicking this toggle, this in progress, here is as soon as new quest come, you can join and earn free coin here if you put this toggle on. And also here in general, here is where you can see all treasure hunts. You see it, and then join anyone to earn free coin. And also to go back, just click on this arrow icon. And also here in this icon here is where you can find the quest you completed. Also to go back, just click in this back facing arrow. And also to go back, just click on this back facing arrow. Here in invite friends is where you can invite your friends. Here in Webtoon shop is where you can shop on Webtoon. Here in creator feed you can find the people you follow, their contents. You see it. Also to go back, you see, just click on this cancel icon here. Now here also, now in order to search any manga, comics or manhwa, what you will do here is just click on this search icon here, type what you want here on this search bar. Here I will type comics. Now you can see the comics. Here you can see all, and also here on originals is where you can see comics on series. Here is where you can see comics on series. In order to engage in the comics or to read it, just click on it like this. You can see it. You can engage in it, just click it again, starting from the first one. And also to go back, just click on your back navigation and go back. Also you can subscribe by clicking on this subscribe icon and subscribe to the creator in order to follow him anytime he drop a content. This three icon on the top side is where you can download the comics here. By clicking on this download, you will download it. By clicking on this share, you will share it to your friends. You see it. Now to go, just click on your back navigation and then click on this back arrow icon on the top side here. Now that's how to use Webtoon, best manga, comics and also manhwa app. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Click on any video on this screen. You will find it helpful. Thank you for watching once again. See you on the next video. Peace.